welcome back to my channel. Well, the winner that I pulled from here a week ago for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway never responded, and I said that, you know, she would have a week to respond, and if not, then I would redraw. So here we are doing a redrawing for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. If you are the winner, you will have 1 week from Friday. Today is January 19th, so a week from today. And I will leave my email address in the description for you to send me your address and claim the giveaway. So here we go. Let me take these out. Okay, here we go. I know you're going to be so happy. Happy Mail Magic. You know who you are. One of my... Y'all, thanks for watching. Happy Mail Magic. I'm going to need your address. Claim the prize. Again, if she has not claimed in a week, we will do it. Y'all, thanks again.